up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Akosuabenhene. If you're seeing me for the very first time, if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, what it do? So today we're in my kitchen because it's a cook with me. Today we're gonna be cooking some very low maintenance chicken and shrimp lo mein. So we're making some chicken and shrimp lo mein. I'm actually very hungry right now. I'm about to have lunch. I'm about to cook, and I thought that I'll share it with you. I have a very low maintenance style lo mein that I do. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my recipe, cooking and chatting away. So I hope that you guys like this video. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel because it's beautiful here. Okay, we're a family. We love each other. Okay, we help each other develop. So subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, without further ado, my loves, let's cook. Let's cook some lo mein. Okay, so for ingredients, we are going to be using, or I am going to be using some adobo. This is VSDC adobo. And then I have some pure sesame oil right here. And then next to it, I have some minced garlic. And then I also have some mushroom. And then this is the lo mein that we're going to be using today. This is the lo mein noodles that we're using today. Forgive my hands, they're ashy, but because I'm dealing with food, that's what you're going to get. And then I have some red bell pepper. And then I have some shallot onions or scallions. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. And then we have some shrimp. And then let me take the chicken. And then over here we have the chicken breast. So if I happen to add anything else as I go along the process, I'll share it with you guys. I'll show it to you guys. But for now, these are the base ingredients. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by chopping my veggies.
Soon there will no longer be pollution. Shining brighter than all the diamonds. There will be a different horizon. One day we will all come to Zion. Strong as a lion, we can be silenced. No, there's a busy answer to all of this. Even in a hateful heart it exists. Why can't we just look at the love now? It's been too long, yeah. We gotta reunite, yeah. Put a man with a gun. You gotta know what goes around comes back around. Let's keep on
Okay guys, so all my veggies are nice and ready. So let's go ahead and season this chicken. I'm gonna put some of the adobo inside. I'm gonna put some of the adobo on this chicken. I like my spice, okay? I love my seasoning. I love my spice. I make sure that it's nice and like properly did, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some soy sauce. I think I didn't show you guys this, but we're definitely going to use some soy sauce. What is lumi without soy sauce, or what is Asian food without soy sauce? So I'm gonna throw some soy sauce in here. This is less sodium, by the way. Very important to me to be less sodium. Just that. Then I'm just gonna stir this around. And then I'll set this aside. I'll just leave it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cook my lumine. And to be honest, you can use any noodles for this. When I don't have lumine, I still use regular noodles. So it shouldn't just be lumine, okay? So I'm gonna wait for the water to boil a little, and then I'll put this inside.
I beat my face, moving fast cause I'm Uber on the way. Taking pictures, baby, you can see no less. That we secure like the money in our sack. I look like it, no I'm on the way. But you know.
This is old. When your pan gets to this stage, throw it in the bin. I'm gonna put some oil. Okay. Minced garlic. I'm gonna put some of that in here. It has water, so yeah, that's the reaction we get. And I also went ahead and added some adobo to the shrimp, because I did same to the chicken, so I should have done same to this. So I just thought I'd show you guys. And I'm gonna put the shrimp. My husband is on his way back from town, so I'm not gonna make his, so I'm just gonna make mine. So I'll just make one portion of this. And then some chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook, fry, I don't know what word, but I'm going to let it cook. I'm cooking this under high heat just so that it's able to cook fast, and then we can move to the next process. To be honest, noodles or lumine, it doesn't take so long to cook. The lumine in itself doesn't take so long to cook, and then now this process as well doesn't take long. So this is very fast, and this is just my low maintenance version, because I don't have the bok choy, I don't have all of the Asian stuff that they add. I just have the regular Asian American stuff. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my mushroom. Mushroom takes less time to cook, so that's the reason why that's the last part of the seafood situation that went in. No, mushroom is not seafood actually. Mushroom is just veggies. Oh, mushroom is actually veggies. Wow. And then now my veggies. Now my veggies. This is the onion. I'll put some of that. This is actually more than one person's food. It looks like it's more than one person's food because I don't think I can eat all of that. So I'll probably just put some in the fridge for tomorrow's lunch. But this is the green scallions or shallots, yeah, and then some green red bell pepper, yeah. That's the only veggies that I have in this, as well as the mushroom. So yeah, that's why I said it's low maintenance. But to be honest, whatever you have, throw it inside. Whatever veggies you feel like you want to add, definitely add that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my sesame oil. Love the scent. Love the flavor that sesame oil gives your food. Absolutely great stuff. Okay. In here. Oh, sesame oil immediately changes everything. It changes the smell of everything, and that's just great stuff. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw my soy sauce in here. Then now the lady of the show, the lo mein, she's gonna go in now. And I'm just gonna go ahead and stir this up. You know, get everything like nice and infused. Just a little more of the soy sauce, just a little bit, just a teeny weeny bit. I honestly don't have measurements. Oh, I forgot to mention. Okay guys, I'm an African woman. We barely cook with measurements. We cook with our ancestors' measurements. They tell us what to do and we do it. So we don't, at least I don't cook with measurements. I didn't grow up in a home that they had like measuring spoons. No, we didn't do that stuff. So we just cook. So seasoning, everything is cooked to taste or seasoned to taste. This thing smells like a dream. What the hell? A little bit. Ooh, I don't even want to add that adobo, but let me just add this. Just a little bit of adobo. You know, but I think it's fine. And then I'm going to throw some extra greens because I think I want more greens in that. And if the sauce that you have around the lo mein is a little too runny or is a little too watery, you can add some cornstarch to that, or you can just add flour. You can add some flour to that, and it will help thicken your sauce. But the sauce that I have around my lo mein is just perfect. It's just the amount, perfect amount of sauce that I need. I don't need so much. So that's it. Oh, look at that. Look at this goodness, guys. Look at this. Look at this goodness. Look at this goodness. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? That's how I gas food out, because food is good, guys. Food is good, okay? Food is good. Don't let nobody lie to you. But you gotta eat healthy stuff. So yeah, she's ready to be plated. She's ready to be plated and ready to be eaten, you know. So let me go ahead and you know, I'm excited. Oh, look at that goodness. Oh, not me dropping my shrimp. Oh, I'm so mad. I'm so mad. This is actually a lot. I don't know if I can eat all of this, you know? I'm not so sure. But whatever. It looks really good, okay? Oh. Okay, what it do? What it do? Okay, so it's time for us to taste this baby girl. Oh, she smells so good, and it was so easy to make. See, guys, I'll leave a recipe in the description box below. Maybe not a recipe because the recipe is this video, but I'll leave everything that I used in the description box below. Trust me, this is low maintenance. You can ignore the veggies and see, just make this work for you. Just food. At the end of the day, it's just going to the belly. Okay, leave my face. See, these food insects, they are really killing me. That's why I don't like summer. I like summer. Okay, so let's go ahead and taste this. I know that it tastes nice because I've tasted the shrimp. Okay, but I know that it tastes nice. So let's go ahead and just taste this so that you guys can see. Noodles, some shrimp, and then some chicken. Okay, see that? Oh, look at that goodness! Look at that goodness! Oh my God! Oh, food just excites me. Okay, let's taste this. That's how good it tastes, okay? Okay, guys, so yes, that's the food. I'm gonna go away now. I'm hungry. It's time for me to have lunch, okay? I'm gonna chill, watch some Grey's Anatomy, and just have this food. But like I said, I will leave everything in the description box below for you guys to check it out, okay? Everything that I used in the video. Yeah, it's exciting. I hope that you guys like this. I hope that I'm able to do more cook with me's because, to be honest, I'm always cooking. I'm always trying a new recipe, always eating something new, okay? And making it in my kitchen. I tell you guys that. If you watch my vlogs, you will know. So yeah, I'm excited to have been able to share this low maintenance low maintenance low me with you guys. If you like the video, please give me a huge thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hey baby girl, please subscribe, okay? Subscribe, okay? Subscribe to the channel, become a part of the family. I love you, so please subscribe, okay? And then yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. A video for this hair will be linked in the description box below. I have a full tutorial of how I install this braid. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You like it what I do, I know how to keep it cool.